Do you usually carry a bag?
Yes, I do. In my capacity as a university student, I'm often lugging a bag brimming with textbooks to my lectures, library study sessions, and laboratory experiments. Whenever I venture outdoors for leisure, I carry another bag containing my personal essentials: a water bottle, wet wipes, keys, iPad, iPhone, and the like. When heading to the gym, a sports bag containing my workout attire, sneakers, and exercise gear is my constant companion. As you can discern, I am consistently accompanied by a bag, a distinct one tailored to the demands of each occasion and purpose.
Contact Dr. N in England.